Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today's class, I will be teaching you what are the difference between receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account. Already in the previous classes, I have explained what is a receipts and payments account and what is an income and expenditure account. Today's class we will be just seeing about the difference between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. See, if you know what is a receipts and payments account and what is an income and expenditure account, then the difference it will be very easy and it will be very simple to understand. Okay. So, there are few differences. I will explain one by one. Number one, what is the difference between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account? What for it is prepared? Receipts and payments account, it is prepared to record all cash receipts and all cash payments. Is it clear? Income and expenditure account, it is prepared by a non-profit organization to find out whether there is an excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus, or whether there is an excess of expenditure over income, that is deficit. Is it clear? So, whether they want to calculate whether their income is excess or whether their expenditure is excess, that is to calculate surplus or deficits. That is the main purpose of preparing income and expenditure account. Okay. Receipts and payments account is prepared to find out cash receipts and cash payments. Okay. Income and expenditure is prepared to find out the excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus, or the excess of expenditure over income, that is deficit. Okay. Next, receipts and payments account, it is a real account. It is a real account. Everything will be written here. Items which are of capital nature, revenue nature, everything will be written here. So, it is called as a real account. But income and expenditure account, we are going to enter only the revenue, receipts and revenue payments. So, it is a nominal account. What is the nature of income and expenditure account? It is of nominal account. Okay. It is a summary of cash receipt and cash payment. So, all the cash receipts are written on the debit side and all the cash payments are written on the credit side. So, it is an account of all the income and expenditures. Okay. So here what we do, we enter all the expenses on the debit side and all the incomes on the credit side. Is it clear? As I already told you, in receipts and payments account, non-cash items, that is outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, income received in advance, all these non-cash items are not recorded here, but all the non-cash items are recorded in income and expenditure account. So, the third one is non-cash items are not recorded. Here, non-cash items are also recorded. Is it clear? Next. Number 4, when you start the receipts and payments account, we start with the opening balances of cash in hand, cash at bank, bank overdraft, whatever is there, opening balance, we start with that. But when you come to income and expenditure account, there is no question of opening balances. Only we end with the either deficit or surplus. Okay. So, opening balances of cash in hand, cash at bank, all are recorded. Opening balances are recorded. Here no opening balance. Is it clear? Next, in receipts and payments account, items which are of revenue as well as capital nature, all are recorded. But in case of income and expenditure account, only items which are of revenue nature alone are recorded. Is it clear? So, here revenue and capital items are recorded. Everything is recorded. Revenue, capital, everything is recorded. Here only revenue items are recorded. Is it clear? Revenue and capital both are recorded. Here only revenue items are recorded. Capital items are excluded. Okay. The last one, in case of receipts and payments account, items which are pertaining to current year, previous year, subsequent year, everything will be recorded in case of receipts and payments account. But in case of income and expenditure account, items which are pertaining to the current year alone are recorded. Is it clear? So here items of current year, previous year and subsequent, that is the next year, subsequent year are recorded. Here only items of current year alone are recorded. Okay children, you understood what is the major difference between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account? Number one, it is prepared to know the summary of cash receipts and cash payments. It is prepared to find out the surplus or deficit. It is a real account. All capital, revenue, everything is written here. So it is a real account. Here only revenue items are written. So it is a nominal account. Okay. Non-cash items are not recorded in receipts and payments account. Non-cash items are also recorded, or also it is shown in the income and expenditure account. Okay. Opening balances are recorded here. In receipts and payments account, all the opening balances, that is opening balance of cash in hand, cash at bank, bank overdraft, everything is recorded here. But here no opening balances, nothing is recorded here. Items which are of revenue and capital items are recorded. Here only revenue items are recorded. Items of current year, previous year, subsequent year, everything is recorded here. But here only items which are related to the current year or which are pertaining to the current year alone are recorded. Hope you understood children. So this is the difference between income and expenditure account and receipts and payments account. So if you understood the concept very well, then it is very easy to do the sums. Thank you.